മേജർ എൻവിറോൺമെൻറ്റൽ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ. ഇന്ത്യയിലുള്ള എൻവിറോൺമെൻറ്റൽ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്സിൽ മെയിനായിട്ട് വരുന്നത് ചിപ്കോ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്, എപ്പിക്കോ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്, സാലൻ വാലി മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് നർമ്മദ ബച്ചാവോ ആന്തോളൻ. നർമ്മദ ബച്ചാവോ ആന്തോളൻ. It was a social movement launched in 1987 to oppose the construction of large dams on the Narmada River, particularly the Sardar Sarovar Dam, and advocate for the rights of displaced communities and environmental protection. The local people were continually protesting against the implementation of the project since it would submerge a large mass of land and 8 communities of tribal people would be homeless. According to an estimate, more than 1 million people will be ousted from their native place due to this project. The leaders of the movement was Baba Amte, Medha Patkar, Arundhati Roy. The Narmada Bachao Andolan highlighted the issues of displacement, environmental degradation and the violation of human rights caused by the construction of large dams. Narmada Bachao Andolan has attracted the international attention. Due to the activities of the movement, the World Bank has withdrawn its proposed debt. Narmada Bachao Andolan has filed a right petition to the Honorable Supreme Court of India for its proper assessment and suspension of the project. The matter is now under sub judice of the Honorable Supreme Court. Another major environmental movement in India is Salan Valley movement. Salan Valley movement was a major environmental movement in India during 1970s and 1980s. It aimed to protect the Salan Valley rainforest in Kerala from destruction due to the proposed hydroelectric project by the Kerala State Electricity Board. The project threatened the unique biodiversity of the region. In 1983, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi cancelled the project and 1985 Salan Valley was declared a national park. This movement became a milestone in India's environmental history, proving the power of public activism in protecting nature. Today, Salan Valley National Park remains a symbol of conservation efforts in India. The next movement is Epico movement. Epico movement was started under the guidance of Yuvak Mandali for protesting against the felling of trees in those forest lands. According to the villagers, large-scale deforestation would be lead to the scarcity of fuel. The prime objectives of the movement were to protect the forest from deforestation, encourage the plantation of new trees, conserving natural ecosystems of those regions. Chipko movement. The Chipko movement is a forest conservation movement in India. The movement started at Alakanada, mid-western Himalayas. In 1970s, there was flood at Alakanada. Destruction of forests was the prime reason behind the flood. The women of that region took the prime role and spent sleepless nights by embracing the trees and protecting them from the X-men of the constructors. In 1974, when the Forest Department auctioned a portion of Perch Muranda jungle, the volunteers of that area organized a movement by hugging the trees and constructors were forced to return. The basic reason behind the participation of large number of women in the movement was the fact that the women felt that they had the right to collect for the fodder and fuel from the forest and ecology of the area must have to be conserved. The main leaders of the movement were Chandi Prasad Bhatt, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Meera Bhai.